What's up guys, so recently Huawei started selling its first foldable smartphone Huawei Mate X after delaying the launch by a few months to make sure the device is durable. But now a video of the Mate X has surfaced online which shows the device with a broken screen. But it is not yet known what happened to the smartphone or whether it was due to user's fault or some issues with the device. But I think it could happen automatically. I mean, it was not user's fault. Again, this is what I think, because who's gonna care less with their $2,600 phone, and the person who purchased that foldable phone definitely knows if the screen will broke, no matter what is going to be the reason, it will cost him $1,000 to replace the screen from Huawei themselves. And there is a lot of reasons it was not a user's fault, and one of them is design. Because the design of this phone is very fragile. Even this design is 100 times more fragile than Samsung's Galaxy Fold. I know this design definitely looks cooler, but since it has its main display, which is actually a plastic display outside the phone, which means the screen is going to have faced lots of things of this world, which of course the first generation plastic foldable display really can't. That's why Huawei is moving to Samsung's approach for next year's Mate X2. According to Rodent, Huawei will announce the Huawei Mate X2 in the third quarter of next year, and it will have the same design as of the Galaxy Fold, but it will have a full-size screen, meaning there would be no notch or hole on that main display, just a full bezel-less screen. He further revealed that the Mate X2 will have total of 3 screens, one main display which can fold like the Galaxy Fold, one outer full screen bezel-less display, which means no cameras will be there as well, and then on the back it has one small display, could be like Nubia Z20 or V1X dual screen for selfies. Cameras of this phone will be as powerful as of the Mate 50 Pro, and internals are also going to be based on the very same device. Also last month, a Huawei patent showing a device that folds vertically like the Motorola Razr 2019 and was published by the World Intellectual Property Office. The diagram showed that when folded, it didn't fold into two equal halves, the left part of the display sticking out that can serve as a sort of secondary display for showing notification. I must have to say Huawei is going fully opposite from Samsung in terms of design language, where Samsung is going for the sharper curves and inward foldings. I mean, Samsung is like to play safe, but Huawei is like fully daring, giving you a quad curve phone, outward foldable phone, inward folding design, but with displays on each and every single side. So you have to be super careful that your phone would not be dropped. And speaking of the clamshell foldable phone, so I was actually shocked to see how much people want clamshell like foldable phone over the tablet plus phone version. That's why next year Samsung is bringing their version, and Huawei should also bring their version of the clamshell design really soon. So yeah, that's all on the Mate X2. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, so like this video and subscribe to the channel to know more about Huawei's Mate X series or just about Huawei's other phones, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one.